So it becomes a lot easier to manage the burning concern or the major concern for children, for wildlife, for animals, for birds, and for human beings and stuff. And we look at all these interesting videos of AI and robots kind of helping people with sustained plans and stuff like that. So you could have one robot probably doing all of that uh, wherever, So it's just an idea to kind of add technology to that. Take a look at this again, I mean, this is how beautiful the city would be, and this is how beautiful the spaces would be. This is how beautiful the your balconies would be. This is how beautiful the windowsills would be. This is going to be like this is going to be live before you. You're going to wake up to this, you're going to sleep with this and stuff. And like I said, when you go out, obviously emotional health and your overall health starts feeling good and stuff. So simple, like you have this sponge and you have a set of these plants and stuff, easy to maintain. Choose ones which are not very expensive, choose ones which last longer, and a good idea to look after these. Maintaining is so easy. I've already shared this before. Just a spray bottle with some water, spray and wipe off the leaves and stuff, and you're good to go and sorted. So love and luck and take care, have a blast, and nice to kind of connect with people. I'm taking it easy, so feel free to write in and email me and message me, and I'll get back in touch whenever possible because of whatever reasons. Some more health concerns, one more challenge comes my way, but I guess it happens to most people and everybody. You have health challenges coming in at any stage of your life and stuff. So the point is to kind of stay positive and beat it. And I definitely felt so good stepping into this zone where I see my ideas happening and stuff. Try and spend some time in nature, try and take a walk, try and have some good music happening, try and have some chai, coffee, avoid drinking too much, try not to be glued in too much of social media and everything, because you'll feel as if you're in one rut and one creativity also goes down, your thinking capacity also goes down. But of course, depends on the kind of content and everything, because there's also research that social media like Facebook and Twitter also helps girls and women a lot, because it helps you share your thoughts and views and stay in touch with the world and stuff, So, hi, gets your stress level down. So, see, lovely, huh? So this is what I'm suggesting. Nice flora everywhere. Feels good. Hi. See ya. Good. Great. Bye. Yeah, have some nice greenery and everything. The other side of it is basically the golf course. So, आपको देखिए, आप अगर ग्रीनरी आपको हर तरफ दिखती है, आपको दिखती है दिल्ली में ग्रीनरी, ऐसा नहीं है कि आपको नहीं मिलेगी. बट द पॉइंट इज़ कि इसका जो लोड है वो सबको शेयर करना चाहिए, और we got to come together and have some more work happening around nature and stuff. After all, we want fresh air to breathe, we want clean air and everything. And there was also a thought share with Bill Gates Foundation where Mrs. Smriti Irani had shared the concerns around women and children and their health and stuff, So all that is a wake-up call. And there are so many forums where I've attended these thought shares of entrepreneurs from all across the world, in the embassies and the entrepreneurship forums at places like the America Center and stuff. It's a concern. So rather than just sharing the negative of it, let's look at the solutions and stuff. So when was the last time you saw a nice bee? So if you can pause and if you can detach and unhook and spend some time and take a look at these little things, these can also kind of recharge you and rejuvenate you. You don't always need human beings, you don't always need technology. So that's the view right now. So love and luck. I'm Jasin Kapani on jkapani@gmail.com, jassinkapani.im@gmail.com, and Jasin Kapani office@gmail.com. So it's a beautiful world, it's a beautiful day, and the weather is so nice and amazing. So here you are. So when you wake up, Look at the beautiful sky and everything. And remember, flora architecture, bioarchitecture as a part of your curriculum, as a part of your ideas, as a part of your daily activities of maintaining your homes, offices, and spaces is definitely a good idea. So, hope this helps. So, love and luck. See you soon. Bye bye.